morning, Leo. How are you, Leo? I miss you. I miss you, my Leo. I miss you. Wow, you're so nice. Wow, you're like an angel today. Did you miss me? It's been so long. How many weeks? Not just only 1 week. You miss me a lot? Huh? Did you miss me a lot, Leo? See how the tail with this guy. Wow, you're so nice now. Oh, you're great. I hope you're always like this. You're like an angel now. Oh my God, you changed a lot, my dear Leo. You're so much changed. I hope that changing is very good for you, okay? Okay, Leo. Say hi to your fans. Say hi to your viewers. Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Leo. I am a good boy now. I am not a traitor now. I am very good now today. Only today, huh, Leo? Leo, what are you up to? Oh my God. You want me to comb your hair na? Oh my God. Are you a bakla? Okay. I will comb your hair, Leo. Wow. No, you don't want to comb your hair. You just want to play. Say, guys. You just want to play again. Ouch! See, I told you. I told you. That you're showing me like that is a fake. I told you. The Leo is the devil. My God, what is this, Leo? I'm just combing your hair. You said you comb your hair. Mm. My God, Leo. Okay, enough. Enough.